this is my 1997 Ford F-150 12.2 liter engine. When I started up in this cold weather, it's about 35 degrees, I get this ticking noise, as you can hear. Of course, the colder it is, the worse it is. So my intention is to add about 6 or 8 ounces of that Miracle Marvel's Mystery Oil. I'm going to try that. But then I'll run that and then change the oil and do the proper 20% mixture. So I thought I'd at least try it. Put some of it in there. Maybe about 16 ounces. So I'll put it in this oil filler here. After a while, this is not gonna tick. It's gonna get warmed up, and it's not gonna tick. So we'll see what happens. Sounds like most of this coming from this side, through the passenger side. In a few minutes, I'll show you. This is about 5 minutes into it, and you can hear it more clearly, the ticking noise. It hasn't warmed up yet, but when it does, that ticking will go away. So I'll give it another 5 minutes or so, and then I'll let you hear it then. Okay, now it's been about 10 minutes. The engine been running. It's warmed up. Now the tick has gone away. So sounds like it might be a lifter. Oil's not getting up to it until it gets warmed up enough. And then it gets enough oil around it, inside it, so it's not ticking anymore. So what I'm going to do is add about, I want to say 8 to maybe 16 ounces, half a quart of Marvel's Mystery Oil. Get it lubricated inside the engine there. And then tomorrow I'm going to start it up and see what happens. Actually, I'm going to shut the engine off now. I'm going to put it in, then I'm going to run it for about 5-10 minutes, get it circulating, and then shut it off. And then tomorrow I will start it up to see if it does the same thing or has it cured it. Stay tuned. Oil I'm talking about is the Marvel Mystery Oil. You can buy this at AutoZone or Walmart. It comes, this one sits 32 ounces, 1 quart. So that's what I'm putting in, about half of that. Okay, so I just changed my oil yesterday because I wanted to try this Marvel Mystery Oil in my truck because I had a lifter ticking noise. I just started it. It's probably run for about 2 minutes and I don't hear any ticking. Yesterday I changed the oil. It's 6 quart capacity in this 4.2 liter Ford engine. This is a 1997 Ford pickup truck. So I put 5 quarts of Valvoline 10W30 and a quart of this Marvel Mystery Oil. That's probably about I want to say 35 degrees out with the sun out. I'll double check the temperature after this video, but it's cold. Definitely need a jacket, even though it looks nice. Nice sunny day in the morning around 10 o'clock. So there is a very slight something. Sounds like something clicking, but I don't think it's the engine. I think it might be a loose exhaust pipe or something. But for the most part, that clicking has gone away from the tapping noise of the lifter. And so after I changed the oil, I drove it around all day, you know, and parked it last night. And yeah, started up this morning and I didn't hear any ticking because it was really ticking loud when it was cold. But now I don't hear anything, which is surprising to me. I figured it'd take a couple, 3 days before it will start to work. Don't hear any click, 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 click. You know what I'm talking about. So it looks like this oil, this Marvel mystery oil, worked for me. So I want to try it if it's happening to you. This is 2 days later after I put Marvel's mystery oil in my truck. It's about 30 degrees right now. And still sounds pretty good. Now on the last video it sounded like there was a very slight tick from the lifter. I can't make it out on when I'm recording, so but it sounds great still. I put some miracle oil. I keep calling it miracle oil. I don't know why. Maybe it is a miracle. But this oil here, this Marvel's mystery oil, I think it works. For me anyway, it did. So if you have a tick, lifter tick, you might want to give it a try. Follow the directions and give it a try. I mean, if it's ticking, I don't know, what do you got to lose? You know? Sounds pretty good to me. I think it was now ticking from this side mostly. I did the broom handle trick. Put my up against the broom handle. You know, unscrew the broom head and then use the handle to start checking your engine, putting it against the block and stuff. You can tell, pinpoint it pretty good with a broom handle.